Well, hello and welcome back to Vickie's Country Home. And today I just want to do a quick video and show you what's going on in my garden. Things are growing really well. I'm really happy with them. I just have to get some more drip irrigation in, but they are really doing well. But this is what I'm struggling with now. And I don't know if you can see this. But every step that I take, there are baby grasshoppers. Now this is down a lot since yesterday. Yesterday there were thousands. Every step you took, there were just so many. They would just all pop up around you. And these are my green beans. And as you can see, they've already eaten a bit on them. And there's one right there. Yesterday I came out and sprayed every bit of this with insecticidal soap, and they are still eating this. And I really don't want to get anything more toxic, but I don't want to lose my garden to them. One of my neighbors literally, they stripped her garden to the ground the other day. So if you have any ideas of something that is not quite toxic that I could use to get these things under control, I'd sure appreciate it. Because the way this is going, I'm not sure I'm going to have a garden left. You can see them hopping everywhere. But I do have a few tomatoes that are starting to ripen. There they are. Those are San Marzano. And I have some Fresno and jalapeno peppers that are doing really well and getting close. Now, if we can just keep the grasshoppers from eating everything. I got yummy strawberries that are doing well. And I have, oh, my shadow's blocking it. I have blooms on my blackberries and raspberries. Hopefully I can keep the birds out of those. And if you look along this board, going along the side of this bed, there are probably 20 or more little grasshoppers. Help! And I just have to show you this little butter lettuce. It's just doing beautiful. And I'm about to show you how I got this. This is where I got that butter lettuce from. I saw these at the grocery store and I bought some and we ate most of the head. But if you look at the bottom, this has roots. So I planted what was left, and that's been several weeks, and that thing is doing wonderful. This was about $3.99, and I've seen them at Costco, I think like you get 2 heads for that price or somewhere about that. So just an idea, and it's something you'll continue eating off of for one price. This is out in front of my house, and there is my flower area, but as I walk you can just hear and see them jumping around. And right there, right in the center, that is what's left of my rhubarb. 2 days ago there were stalks and there were leaves. Now There's a little bit left of the stalks, but they don't look too good. At least they haven't gotten to my roses. They're beautiful and they smell wonderful. So far. And it's been several hours since I came out here and recorded the other part. And since that time, I've sprayed more of the insecticidal soap. That didn't seem to slow them down. So then I came out and dusted it with food grade diatomaceous earth. They're still everywhere. So I'm not sure if that's helping or not. And I found this idea online, and so far it doesn't seem to be doing anything. And that is a Ziploc bag with apple cider vinegar and canola oil. Well, that's been a couple hours, and so far there's nothing in them. So I'm not sure that that's doing anything. But hopefully the diatomaceous earth will do something, because I'm desperate. There are so many of these. They're eating my onion tops. They ate my marigolds. I don't know if you could see this. They're just tons of them as I'm walking. You can actually hear them. It's crazy. So if you have any ideas, please let me know. That was a marigold. Thank you for watching Vickie's Country Home, and if you have any ideas, please share, and we'll talk again soon.